Millie Bobby Brown's back as Enola Holmes in the third installment of the trilogy. She's about to get married when her brother, Sherlock Holmes, played by the extraordinary Henry Cavill, goes missing, and it's up to Enola to solve the case. Okay, the main gripe I have with this movie is that they gave Enola a partner in the first place. It doesn't fit her strong, independent character. Look, she already had a pair as 11 in Stranger Things. I just wish they had her go solo dolo on this one. Helena Bonham Carter reprises her role as Enola's mother, and she's absolutely brilliant. Back to Enola's love life, is it just me, or does Millie Bobby Brown have no chemistry with the actor playing Berry? He's a total pansy, doesn't seem a fitting partner for the indomitable Enola Holmes. If you watch My Adventures with Superman, they do this kind of relationship right. Jimmy Olsen's a total weakling, and Supergirl basically has the power of a god, but their relationship is charming and cute and fitting, not forced like Enola and Berry. Also, when you make a movie with the characters using the last name Holmes, I expect a ton of expert deductions to solve mind-boggling mysteries. But somehow the mystery solving gave way to the romance story and introducing new characters I sadly didn't care much about. There was also a point where Enola's fourth wall breaking was getting a bit too much for my liking. The number of times she says Berry was totally egregious. In the end, there was no big mind-blowing plot twist, but I'd still recommend you watch Enola Holmes 3. It's not a bad movie, it's just not a good detective movie either. That's it for me. Cheese pull out.